Call to action. You are on the threshold of something truly great. You have the idea, the knowledge, and most importantly, the potential. The only thing separating you from your dream is action. Don't procrastinate. The biggest mistake is inaction. Tomorrow might be too late. Start right now. Take the first step. Talk to a potential client, sketch out your business model on a napkin, register a domain, create the simplest MVP. Believe in yourself and your idea. The path will not be easy. There will be doubts, rejections, failures. But it is your persistence and belief in your own vision that will help you get through it all. If you don't believe in your idea, no one else will. Go forward. Let this book be your desk reference, a source of inspiration, and a practical guide. Return to it again and again as your startup grows and faces new challenges. The world awaits your solutions, your innovations, and your energy. You have everything you need to not just dream of a better future, but to build it.